Are you struggling to enter ketosis quickly? Want to burn fat instead of carbs in record time? In this video, I'll show you scientifically proven ways to enter ketosis fast. Whether you're a beginner or someone struggling to see results, stick around because I'll break it all down step by step. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Normally, we burn glucose from carbohydrates, but when we limit carbs, the body starts breaking down fats into ketones, which become the new fuel source. The faster we can shift to using ketones, the quicker we enter ketosis. Cut carbs aggressively. The first and most effective way to enter ketosis fast is to dramatically reduce your carb intake. Ideally, drop down to 20 grams of net carbs per day. The fewer carbs you eat, the quicker your body will start producing ketones. Focus on high-fat, moderate protein, and ultra-low-carb meals. Best foods to eat. White heavy checkmark meat, poultry, fish, eggs. White heavy checkmark healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, butter. White heavy checkmark leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce, broccoli. White heavy checkmark nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, chia seeds. Foods to avoid. Prohibited bread, pasta, rice, potatoes. Prohibited sugar, soda, fruit juices. Prohibited high-carb vegetables, corn, peas, carrots. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a game changer when it comes to entering ketosis quickly. The most effective methods are ***. 8 o'clock 16:8 fasting, fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window. Fork and knife with plate OMAD, 1 meal a day, eating once per day for maximum fat burning. When you fast, your body runs out of glycogen faster, forcing it to start burning fat sooner. Combine this with a low-carb diet, and you'll be in ketosis before you know it. Increase healthy fats, 70 to 75% of your diet. To fuel your body in ketosis, you need to increase your fat intake to 70 to 75% of daily calories. This signals your body to start using fat as the primary fuel source. Some of the best keto-friendly fats include ***. Avocado, avocados and avocado oil. Cut of meat, fatty cuts of meat and fish. Butter, grass-fed butter and ghee. Coconut oil and MCT oil. Cheese, wedge cheese and full-fat dairy. Light bulb pro tip, adding MCT oil to your coffee or meals can boost ketone production fast. It's a shortcut to getting deeper into ketosis. Exercise and burn glycogen stores. Exercise can speed up ketosis by burning through your body's stored glycogen faster. The best exercises to enter ketosis include ***. Man lifting weights, strength training, lifting weights depletes glycogen fast. Man walking, low-intensity cardio, walking, cycling, or light jogging. High-intensity interval training supercharges fat burning. A simple 20 to 30-minute daily workout can help you reach ketosis much faster. Use exogenous ketones, optional boost. If you want to kickstart ketosis instantly, ***, you can try exogenous ketones. These supplements provide your body with ready-made ketones, helping you enter ketosis in just a few hours. However, they're best used as a tool, not a crutch. Natural ketosis is always the best. Stay hydrated and balance electrolytes. When you start keto, your body flushes out a lot of water and electrolytes. This can lead to the dreaded keto flu, headaches, fatigue, and cramps. To avoid this, make sure to get plenty of electrolytes ***. Droplet drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Salt, increase sodium intake, Himalayan salt. Avocado, eat potassium-rich foods, avocados, spinach, salmon. Pill, take magnesium supplements if needed. Electrolyte balance is key to feeling good and staying in ketosis. How long does it take to enter ketosis? Typically, it takes 2 to 7 days to enter ketosis depending on your carb intake, activity level, and metabolism. However, if you follow all these steps, you can get into ketosis in just 24 to 48 hours. Rocket. Let's recap the fastest way to enter ketosis. Heavy checkmark cut carbs to 20 g per day prohibited bread. Heavy checkmark try intermittent fasting, 16:8 or OMAD, hourglass not done. Heavy checkmark increase healthy fats to 70 to 75% avocado. Heavy checkmark exercise to burn glycogen flex biceps. Heavy checkmark use MCT oil or exogenous ketones, optional, high voltage. Heavy checkmark stay hydrated and get electrolytes droplet. Follow these steps, and you'll be in fat-burning mode in no time. Red circle question for you, have you ever tried keto? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments. Backhand index pointing down. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a keto tip. See you in the next video.